Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Baby kicks feel like gentle taps or rolling movements inside your belly and happen irregularly. In contrast, baby hiccups are rhythmic and repetitive, like small, steady pulses, lasting a few minutes. Kicks vary in strength and timing, while hiccups follow a clear pattern. Recognizing these differences helps you connect with your baby's unique movements during pregnancy.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.